Okay, so this one I call my brick wall path. Same thing, we're going to go from A to B. So there's one way to get there. And again, usual idea, I would pause it, try to do it yourself, and then check to see if your answer is right. One way to get there. Two ways to get there. Now let's look at this one over here. So there's two ways coming from there, but there's no other way of getting there. So this one is actually still going to be a 2. 2 ways from there, 1 way from there. This is a 3. That's still 1. Nothing too exciting there. This is probably the next interesting one. So there's one way coming from there, and again, that's it. There's no other inputs into that area. So there's really only one way to get there, which is true if you think about it. You could go down, down, right, and that's it. There's no other way of getting there. 3 ways of getting here, though. Here there's 3, and that's it. 3. 7 ways to get there. 1 way, 1 way. This is basically an offset version of this one. 1 way to get there. 2 ways to get there. Another one of those. 2 and nothing else. 2. 2 from there, 3 from there is 5. 5 from there, 7 from there is 12. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 12 is 16. So there's a total of 16 ways in this one of getting from A to B. Okay, this one over here. We have 1 way, 1 way, 1 way. Again. And we kind of knew that already. Now, there's 3 ways to get there. This is essentially kind of like the brick thing. So there's 3 ways from there and no other ways. 3 ways, 3 ways. This one's also going to be 3 and 3. 3 and 3 is, and now it's just normal. 9, 9, and 18. Now we could have actually done this one in a slightly different way. What we could have done with this one is we could have said that we know that this shape has 3 ways. So we'll say that's C, right? So from A to C, there's 3 paths. And then for each of those 3 paths, if we remember back to example 2, there's 6 ways of doing that. So it becomes 3 times 6, which is 18 ways of getting from A to B.